everybody, and welcome back to another KidALoo adventure. So today we are out in Colorado at the Garden of the Gods. So there is some awesome red rocks all around here. We're going to take a bunch of pictures. We are on our Colorado trip. So we're going to be going around the state, checking out a bunch of different things, some national parks. So this is going to be an epic adventure. I've got the whole gang with me, and we are going to be having a lot of fun out in Colorado. So we hope you enjoy the pics and the videos. And yeah, let's get into it. What's up? What do you think?
So epic.
Yeah? Is it nice?
Yeah, Colorado's epic.
Is it different than you thought?
Maybe. I feel like it's maybe better than I thought because I don't really know what it was like when I first, thought about it.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
More to go see.
Be a good night shelter.
Yeah.
Let's do some pine boughs.
Be a good night shelter. That looks like a very beautiful.